everybody! Welcome to our first virtual edition of Fun with Science, brought to you by the Paine Branch Library and the Syracuse CVR Lions Club. My name is Vasya.
And I am Ashish. This month's topic is geometry. We have 3 great projects planned and we hope you enjoy them. Our first topic is Penrose tiling, named after Sir Roger Penrose, an English mathematical physicist who won the 2020 Nobel Prize in Physics for showing how black holes prove the general theory of relativity. As a mathematician, he also discovered a way to organize shapes, a kite and a dart. This is known as Penrose tiling, which in mathematical terms is infinitely aperiodic.
Aperiodic is a mathematical term that can be explained as follows. If you took a picture of one part of the pattern and compared it with any other part of that tiling, it would never be the exact same as a picture that you took. And infinite means that this pattern in theory could continue on forever if you had an infinite number of tiles.
The goal of this project is to make your own Penrose tiling pattern. The tools you will need are the uncut tiles from your kit and a pair of scissors.
To begin, use your scissors to cut out all the kites and darts. Please make sure your parent or guardian knows that you are using the scissors. Next, arrange the darts and kites according to the following rules. Every corner that has a triangle must be next to a corner with a triangle. Every corner without a triangle cannot be next to a corner with a triangle. This one fits much better instead. Remember, you must match the lengths of the sides. This does not work. This works much better. If you find a pattern you really like, you can glue it to another piece of paper. If not, you can keep rearranging as you wish. For the next project, we'll be learning about 2D and 3D shapes. The D stands for dimensions. Something that has 2 dimensions has only a horizontal and a vertical component. Something that has 3 dimensions still has a horizontal and vertical component, but also has depth. Although these things we see on paper or on our computer screens are only 2D, we can often trick our brain into interpreting the images as 3D, such as this photo here. To exemplify this in today's project, you're going to use the straws that were given in your kit and the modeling clay to take these 2D objects and make them into 3D in real life. The straws will be the edges, whereas the modeling clay will be the corners. Once you're done, you can count all the corners that you've used and all the edges that you've used and put them on the sheet.
For our last geometry project, we are going to have fun with tangrams, an ancient Chinese mathematical problem-solving puzzle.
To start, use scissors to cut out the 7 geometric pieces known as tans. Next, rearrange all the 7 pieces without overlapping them to create each of the secret animals. The solutions for these puzzles are provided on the last 2 pages. We hope you have fun! Thanks for tuning in!
See you next month!